how to measure dry pasta. When cooking pasta, you must measure the dry pasta to ensure you don't cook too little or too much for your sauce. Pasta generally double in size wet when cooked. It is also measured differently depending upon whether it is macaroni pasta or egg noodle. Some recipes may release specific number of serving of pasta you should cook, which means you have to figure out the measurement yourself. Measuring pasta serving depend upon serving size en pasta shape. The article will tell you how to measure dry pasta. Measuring macaroni pasta. Read the recipe to decide how many serving of pasta are required. You can either read directly from the recipe or pasta sauce bottle, or if you are making pasta sauce from scratch, figure out how many people you will feed with your sauce. A single serving of pasta is generally regarded as 2 oz. 57 g of cooked pasta for a first course or side dish. A serving can be raised 3 to 4 oz. 85 to 113 g, if it is only course. Occasionally a serving is approximated à 2 cups, 114 g, of pasta, of. It depend upon the shape of the pasta. 1 serving égale 2 oz, 2 serving égale 4 oz, 4 serving égale 8 oz, 6 serving égale 12 oz, 8 serving égale 16 oz. Mesure spaghetti, fettuccini, spaghettini, capellini, fedolini, or vermicelli using your hand. Place a bunch of spaghetti between your tombe for fingers. 1 serving of pasta, or 2 oz. 57 g, will be equal to a bunch of pasta between your fingers with a diameter of 7-8 inch, 24.26 mm. The diameter of a unité de stat quarter. 2 serving égale 1.75 inch, 4 serving égale 3.5 inch, 6 serving égale 5.25 inch, 8 serving égale 7 inch. Spaghetti, linguine, en haut et long pasta can be measured using a pasta measure. A pasta measure is a tool available at Kitchen Supply Store, in pasta making kit, online. You place the long pasta in various loop to measure a serving of the pasta. Measure elbow macaroni using measuring cup or a food scale. If using a food scale, place the pasta in the cup attaché to the scale en mesure 57 g. If using measuring cup, a single 2 oz. 57 g, serving in 2 cup of dry pasta. 2 serving égale 1 cup, 4 serving égale 2 cup, 6 serving égale 3 cup, 8 serving égale 4 cup. Measure pen pasta using measuring cup or a food scale. If you are using measuring cup, a single 2 oz. 57 g, serving in 3-4 cup of dry pasta. 2 serving égale 1 à 2 cup, 4 serving égale 3 cup, 6 serving égale 4 à 2 cup, 8 serving égale 6 cup. Mesure ribed lasagna using a food scale or individual piece. A 2 oz. 57 g, serving of lasagna is approximately 2 pieces of dry lasagna hashi. It is typically best to use a bowl for layer of noodle when making a lasagna. The typical baking dish used to make lasagna is 8 x 8 inch or 10 x 8 inch. 8 for layer of lasagna noodle, en 8 x 8 pan of lasagna will typically fit 4 people, while a 10 x 8 pan will usually serve 6. Measuring egg noodle. Quinoa constitute an egg noodle. Most pasta contains egg, but to be considered an egg noodle, it must contain at least 5.5 egg solid. Measure egg noodle using measuring cup or a food scale. When measuring egg noodle using measuring cup, 2 oz. 56 g, of egg noodle is approximately 1 à 4 cup of egg noodle or also 1 à 4 cup of cooked noodle. Unlike macaroni pasta, egg noodle measured in measuring cup are typically the same but dry and cooked. Note extra with egg noodle might be slightly different. Typically, for extra with egg noodle, a 2 oz. Serving equal 1 à 4 cup of dry egg noodle, which will yield approximately 1 à 2 cup of cooked noodle.